Welcome back. All week long, the Storm Track 9 team has been looking at technology used to help accurately forecast severe weather, of course. And it's all part of the Severe Weather Awareness Week activities.
Tonight, meteorologist Brad Miller talks with an organization that helps the team stay on top of the ever-changing weather.
Here at Storm Track 9, we have several partnerships to help us stay on top of the ever-changing weather and severe storms here in north central Wisconsin. One of the most important is with the Weather Company. They're the company that helps create the graphics we use to track storms on TV. They also provide us with a high-resolution computer model called the GRAPH. That stands for Global High-Resolution Atmospheric Forecasting System, to help us more accurately track storms. When you hear us talk about our Future Track model,
let's take a look here at Future Track.
Future Track is going to show us how this plays out.
And we see on our Future Track that, yes, there will be a couple bands of snow.
The graph is what you're seeing.
In 2017, at that time, we were running a WSI model called RPM. Our first goal was to replace that and develop what we call a graph today. It really took considerable amount of collaboration, a lot of scientific development, GPU processing units like you see in video games and things like that. Those are now used in weather models.
Now, the Weather Company is constantly updating and improving the model, always striving to make it more accurate.
We've reduced our temperature scale, our reduction in the forecast error by about 20% since then. For precipitation, we've had a much larger impact, especially during the convective season, the thunderstorm season. We've seen about a 50 to 60% improvement.
It's a key tool that we use when tracking storms and alerting you of possible severe weather ahead.
One nice thing with Graph is that we're outputting those forecast images every 5 minutes. So when you're looking at, a 72-hour forecast of rain, you're getting a new image every 5 minutes. So it gives you a more precise idea of when that precipitation may or may not be happening in your area.
Future improvements include more computing capacity and better integration of atmospheric physics into the model, which will help us make an even more accurate forecast. With those constant improvements and the partnership between them and the Storm Track 9 team that you know and trust, we will continue to provide the very latest information to keep you safe whenever severe weather strikes.